If one of your AirPods dies faster than the other, it's most likely because of one of the following things. Besides just playing music through the built-in speaker, AirPods also have microphones built in. If you're using one of them for Siri, for example, that AirPod will be constantly using the microphone to listen for Siri commands, causing the battery to drain faster. You can change these settings under the AirPod settings on your phone. Another big factor here is uneven use. Lithium-ion batteries always lose performance over time, and if you have the habit of using only one AirPod while the other is not being used, doing this repeatedly will put more wear on the battery on one of your AirPods. Eventually, the uneven battery wear will start showing, and one of your AirPods will die faster, even when you're using them both at the same time. A third possible cause is contact issues inside the charging case. AirPods rely on the metal connectors for their charging inside the case, and if there's anything blocking that connection, your AirPods might not get a full charge inside the case. A cotton swab should help you clean up both the case and the stems of your AirPods. It's also worth noting that the battery life of AirPods will degrade due to the natural wear of lithium-ion batteries. This is unfortunately inevitable. The older your device gets, the shorter the battery life becomes. The way you use them also affects this. The more use, the faster the batteries degrade. Exposing your AirPods to high heat will also cause permanent damage to your battery because high heat will accelerate chemical reactions inside your battery, permanently reducing its capacity over time. You can get your battery replaced for $49 unless you have the first generation AirPods. For some reason, Apple does not offer battery replacements on those anymore. For other models, you can get a battery replacement for $49, but knowing how a new pair of AirPods starts at around $100, it's usually time to consider whether you want to fix the old ones or just get a new pair. Occasionally, third-party retailers will have good deals on AirPods, so I'll put a link for my favorite models down below so you can check the current deals.